Exercise number 1.1, question number 5. Show that one and only one out of n plus 2 and n plus 4 is divisible by 3 when n is any positive integer. So, to prove that, first what you need to understand is, you need to understand out of these three values n, n plus 2 and n plus 4. So, whenever you are taking the division algorithm, out of these three, one of them only will be divisible by 3. That is what we are going to prove from this particular problem. So, how to do that? Let's take n be any integer, n be any integer as they have given. So, now I am going to take my b value as 3, and what I am going to do is, I am going to apply division algorithm for n and b. So, that is n is equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. So, if I implement the same thing, n is equal to b means 3q plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than 3. So, if you take this r less than 3 means possible values of r is 0, 1, 2. So, these are all the possible values for your r value. Now, I will implement one by one. If I take r value as 0, n is equal to bq plus r, that is 3q plus r. If I consider that one, n is equal to 3q plus 0, that means it is 3q. This is our first value. And if I write n plus, what is the next value I have to consider? First is n, I got n as 3q, and next one is n plus 2. So, if I take n plus 2 means I know my n value, that is 3q plus 2. So, n I am taking this value, and I have substituted n plus 2 in n plus 2. I have substituted n value as 3q and then plus 2. And the next one is n plus 4. If you take this one, 3q plus 4. So, if you look at this particular three values, when you consider the r value as 0, out of these three, it is having 3 multiple into that quotient 3q. That means it will be divisible by 3, and all others are not divisible by 3. Hope you understand. So, sir, can I write this one as 3q plus 3 plus 1? You can write, but still if you look at 3 into q plus 1 plus 1, that means you cannot divide this number completely with 3. So, that is the reason when you take r value as 0, only one value will get divisible by 3, that is only one and only one value, that is n. And next, when I consider my r value as 1, if I consider my n is equal to 3q plus r, means r value 1. So, I got n value 1, n value I have now, and now I am taking n plus 2. So, n plus 2 means 3q plus 1 plus 2. So, in this case I am getting 3q plus 3. So, you can take it as 3 into q plus 1. Hope you got this one. And the next one, n plus 4. So, what is your n value? This one is your n value, 3q plus 1 plus 4, that is 3q plus 5. If you look at this value, it is not divisible by 3, and this is divisible by 3, and this is also not divisible by 3. So, when you take r value as 1, out of these three, only one value divisible by 3, that is n plus 2. And now we will see the last one, that is when I take my n value as, r value as 2, and in that case my n value is equal to 3q plus 2. So, now n plus 2 is equal to, what is your n value? 3 cube plus 2. 3 cube plus 2 plus 2, that is 3 cube plus 4. And the next value n plus 4, that is 3 cube plus 2, that is your n value, n you know here, plus 4, that means 3 cube plus 6. You can take 3 out from this, cube plus 3 2 times, and if you look at, this is divisible by 3. That means here you are able to divide this n plus 4 value when the r value is 2, and 3 cube plus 4 is not divisible by 3, and this is also not divisible by 3. So if you see in all the cases, show that one and only one out of these 3. So in first case n is divisible by 3, in second case n plus 2 is divisible by 3, in third case it is n plus 4 is divisible by 3. So that's what the problem. I have given the solution also here. Have a look at the solution. You can write the same thing in the exam. So just have a look, the same thing whatever we have discussed. So we have taken n value is equal to 3 cube plus r, and then 0 less than or equal to r less than 3, and r possible values are 0, 1, 2. And as I told you, if you implement r value as 0, n is equal to 3q. So now I will substitute my n value as 3q, n plus 2 is equal to 3q plus 2, n plus 4 is equal to 3q plus 4. So if you look at out of these 3, as I explained, the first value only divisible by 3, and the next one n is equal to, when my r is equal to 1, n is equal to 3q plus 1. So in this case it is not divisible by 3, and 3q plus 1 if I substitute here in the n plus 2 formula, and it will be 3q plus 3. If I take 3 out, 3 into q, this is wrong here, it says mistake in the slide. When you take this out, it will be 3 into q plus 1 only. Just correct these notes. So 3 into q plus 1, where it will be divisible by 3. And the next one, when you write n plus 4, that is 3q plus 1 plus 4, that means 3q plus 5, and it is not divisible by 3. So in this case, this value n plus 2 is divisible by 3. And next one, if I take r is equal to 2, n is equal to 3q plus 2, and n is equal to 3q plus 2, if I implement the same thing in n plus 2, 3q plus 2 plus 2, that means 3q plus 4, and these two values are not divisible by 3. And finally, if you look at n plus 4, 3q plus 2 plus 2 plus 4, that is 3q plus 6. If I take 3 out, 3 into q plus 2, and it is divisible by 3. So like that, whatever we have shown, out of these 3, one and only is divisible by 3. That's what the proof. Okay.